Howdy folks, my computer sounds like it's about to take off, so hopefully I can get through this without too much issue. What I want to show you right now is how to get something out of Onshape and into the good old Figma. So I have a sketch that I've created. Now it could be you have a 3D object as well that you've made if like you wanted to prototype it. So I could theoretically extrude this out and see what it looks like if it's a 1/4 inch thick or 1/8 of an inch thick to pretend like it's a sheet good on the laser. What I'm going to show you is how to export this so that we can get it into Figma so that we could laser cut this shape. Now I've made something that's kind of again like an easy ear saver for a mask. I put it behind my neck and put the straps of my mask on there. What I'm going to do is it says I could export it as a DXF. I haven't always gotten good success with this. You can try it if you want to. I'm going to actually create a drawing of this sketch and I'm going to set it to no views right now. I'm not going to have a border. I'm not going to have a title block. Those are super important steps. And I'm going to hit OK. Now it's going to start creating the drawing. It's going to generate that. And the first option it's going to give me is to draw the top view, hopefully. The biggest thing you need to make sure you have right here is that it's 1:1 scale. So I can insert this anywhere on the sheet. I'm just going to insert it right here for right now. And once you have this drawing, I could remove my construction lines if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that right now. You can hit export. Once you hit export, you want to export as a PDF. And I'm going to hit export. And it's going to start downloading something. Give that a moment to think. What I want to note right here, right now, is that this rectangle that I've made is 1:3. Okay, so we're gonna just remember that for a moment, 1:3. I already have some samples here because I was just making sure this works. Again, I haven't used it since last year. What you're gonna do, you can go to any like conversion website. I like this one right now because it seems to work, and I'm gonna convert my PDF to an SVG. That's something that we can open up in Figma. So if I hit convert here, it's going to take its time, take a moment. There are other websites you can use. This one works good for us. I'm going to hit download. Now I've downloaded that thing, and I could have actually just left it there. I could have just dragged it up into here. The other thing you can do is file and then place image. And then from my downloads, I can choose this SVG. Now, once I place it, you'll see that it tells me the file. It's in its own little frame. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it and ungroup it. Now, I should be able to ungroup this frame too, and then it's in there on its own. You can go ahead and look underneath of it and see what lines you have. Again, I don't need these construction lines, so I can go ahead and delete them. This one, what's this one? Yeah, I do need them. I can go ahead and select all of these. This is like one type of line that I'll be cutting out, and I can go ahead and set them to be laser cut and set my line weight to be 0.1, and now I have a file that's ready to be laser cut. So if you want to check and make sure that your sizing's correct, if I select my group up here, 72 height, so that's that one height that I had before, and 216 width, that's actually 3 inches. So the height remained the same after the conversion and all that, which is most excellent. So we'll be able to utilize Onshape if you need to design something in there. It's more comfortable for you to do that in there. And you can actually bring it into Figma, process it for the laser cutter, and then we can get it on the laser cutter in no time. So that's how to go from Onshape to Figma so that you can design something for the laser. Let me know if you need any help or have questions with it as we move forward. Take care.